Hello garden friends, the word of the month is cold. Ooh, it's so cold. It is January 29 and way past time for our January garden tour. Camera guy is shaking too. So let's get down to the garden and see if anything is growing. All right, here's the lower end of the garden where we normally start. Looks like we got some kale that's sort of holding on. This is our Ethiopian kale. So I didn't think that would take the hot weather really.
And also, we're filming this with a GoPro.
Yeah, first time with our new GoPro that camera guy got for Christmas. All right, so you can see we got a little bit of snow last night. Look, here's some carrots. You want to try pulling one up, or is it too cold?
I'll try one.
It looks like a pretty good one.
I'm shivering. Can we wash it?
Yeah. Well, no, we can't. Well, it might actually be on. That's one of these frost-proof ones. Freeze-proof. So, stand back.
Woo-wee!
Oh.
Is it frozen? I think you have to turn it on.
Yeah, this turns it on, but I think that's just stiff right here because it's so cold.
What about this like thing right here?
No, that's already open so it doesn't freeze. We'll have to wash it when we get back in the house.
Okay.
But it's a cute little carrot. All right. So here we have some onions. We did get a little frosting of snow last night. I'm sure there were accidents around here because of that. See the onions down here? We planted sets for those, the little tiny bulbs. So those will last all winter and keep growing here in our climate. Here's some arugula. See that arugula? It's getting a little burned from the cold.
Seriously.
All right, here's some more Ethiopian kale.
It's dead.
Here's some Egyptian spinach. You can see those seeds are no good because they've been out here too long. They're all brown. I already harvested some before they turn brown though. So these look like they're all too old, too bad. I forget if I showed you last month how I wrapped up the moringa tree. I chopped it down to about here, put this cardboard around it and filled it with dry leaves. And then I put this plastic bag, heavy duty plastic bag over it.
Let me show you the dry leaves.
Yeah, look at all that ice on there. Camera guy's in shorts, crazy boy. There's some more carrots.
Oh, cayenne! Here's the cayenne.
Yeah, that's not growing, is it?
Maybe it'll go back in the spring.
So I've been putting things over. I've been putting tarps over our plants. If it's expected to get below about 28 degrees, I'll put tarps over to protect the plants. I did plant some things for our fall winter garden.
Don't ask why there's goggles on there.
Yeah, don't ask that for sure. So there's some radishes that I've been covering that little place right where that cage is. They're still alive. And under there, I have a fence over it to keep the rabbits from eating it. But there's lettuce here. See the lettuce there? Shouldn't really mess with it when it's so cold, but it'll thaw out and be fine. And there's some cilantro, I believe. Or that might be arugula. And then I have some other fall winter crops planted up here.
Pecan!
You found a pecan?
Yeah, it's frozen to the ground though.
Yeah, if the squirrels didn't get it, I would think it's not gonna have anything edible in it.
Your garden's really frozen.
Yeah, it is.
Look
I should have put the tarp on last night, really.
at this.
Because there's some radishes through here. There's some daikon radishes up on top there. Here's a little garlic. I put some sticks in here to hold the tarp off. And if you look down here, you can see some spinach. These little plants right there.
What about your persimmons? How they are doing?
Well, I just made a movie on the persimmons.
Movie?
1 year of growing persimmons. So I'll go ahead and put that, a link to that in the end. When the video's done, you can click on that. Oh, I forgot to say, if you could please give this video a like, that really helps my channel.
Subscribe.
And subscribe. But if you give a like, that really helps, makes Google actually have to push this video out to other people. So I'd appreciate that. Look at all that cilantro down there. Nice. Yeah, there's the persimmon tree in the winter going dormant.
Like the persimmons, like the tops of them are still there.
Yep, the ones I let get fully ripe and fall off.
Can we get a better look?
Sure, let's look at these onions and garlic while we're here though. There's the onions I got from the grocery store and just stuck them in.
Yeah, the grocery store.
And then here's garlic. Yeah, the grocery store. Whoever thought that they would have what we need? Okay, so you want to go around and get a closer look at the persimmons?
Yeah.
Camera guy is gonna show the ultimate bravery going over our mountain of coffee grounds that we got from Starbucks.
Look at this right here.
Yeah, look at that.
The persimmons.
The persimmon, there's the top of it.
Yeah, and there's one right here.
Did you eat the persimmons?
I like them now.
Once you tried them, you liked them, right?
Yeah.
That's right. All right.
Okay, I'm freezing.
Okay, look at the parsley I have growing in this container. That'll bounce right back after it gets unfrozen. And then here's rosemary too.
Let me take a nice smell of that.
It does smell good.
I can't pull it out. I can't.
Here you go.
Oh, that smells amazing. I wish you could smell through the camera.
Here, you can hold on to it. The goal of my channel is to give you information to help you become a better gardener. So let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the like, because that really helps YouTube know that they need to send this video out to other people. And if you're not subscribed, why not? It's totally free. So click that bell so you don't miss any of my new content. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. And go ahead and watch that video on persimmons. See you later.